You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
What's going on, guys? Hope you enjoyed yesterday's 14-minute workout. The reason I'm laughing is I gave you a little show up in the corner. Just different pictures of me on my Harley and dirt bike and speed skating. And the reason I did that, if you notice at the very end, I actually gave you the control panel. But stupid me, when I did my GoPro to record the control panel for you guys to see the workout, I actually accidentally hit the time lapse on it. So it was 56 seconds of just right on through. So I said, all right. And of course, doing this kind of video for workout, you really don't get a second take, especially I'm getting ready to turn 51 this month. And no, we don't do second takes after doing a 400 calorie burn in a 14-minute workout. So that was the reasoning. You just go with the flow. So hopefully you had a good workout still. Today's workout, we're going to tone it down. Well, not really tone it down, but we're going to go with the 7-minute interval workout. I want to get some people who are not quite up to doing the 14-minute yet and not exclude them from doing this workout or make them feel like they can't, be here and do it with us. So you more advanced people, don't go away. What I want you to do is how I do my 7-minute intervals, because I think there's only 4 of them. So we'll do the 7-minute on the intervals, and then immediately after that program is done, we'll go right over to manual, and we'll get our other 7 minutes and get a good burn in, and hopefully we still get our minimum of 300 calories or whatever your goal is. So for you guys to have a different source of keeping track of your calorie burns and your heart rate, and get that set up, I go with the iPhone watch. It just happens to be the best for what I found. And this iPhone watch is actually taking the numbers from my program that I have on my phone with this machine. So, of course, I have the heart monitor, so I can shout out anything I want coming right from the control panel. Let's stop talking, let's get on. I am going to start my iPhone watch. Remember, guys, when we find the 7-minute and I give you the 3, 2, 1 countdown, it goes right into a sprint. I'm probably already going to be set up on a resistance of 10 because that's where I feel comfortable. So let's look for the program. 21-minute, 14-minute. Thought it was right in the beginning. Fit test. 7-minute. So 3. I'm going to end up giving you the middle finger one day when I do that. Okay, let's do that again. 3, 2, 1. Hit the start. Right into the sprint. There we go. We find some music. Nice and easy. 15 seconds. Round number 2. Like I said, there's only 4 rounds on this. But I will talk in a minute. Here we go again. All right. I believe my camera, my control panel messed up. So, might not see the first sprint, but it looks like it's going now. I'm having issues with cameras lately. Woo. 30 seconds. Round number 3. You know it. Take it at your pace. Just make it through it. 10 seconds. Okay, here we go. Notice how I squat down, engage that body. Don't worry about what it looks like. Ooh. 154 on the heart rate. Say guys, right after this, we'll go over to the manual. We'll do the last 7 minutes there. Seconds. Last sprint coming up. You new people, you're not allowed to quit. That's the one rule. 3 seconds. Here we go. Program out. I like 200 calories. Let's see if we can get it. Might be a little hard. Less than a minute. Keep plugging along. 30 seconds. We're not gonna get it. It's too many. 10 seconds. Oh, one more. One more. We got it. Oh. All right. We got it. All right, let's stop that. Go through your program, find manual. Oh, I missed it. It's right after stairs. Oh, before I cool down. Manual. Okay, start. I got mine on 10. We're gonna leave it there. I'm gonna try to stay up around 30. I don't know how long I can hold it, but we're gonna try. New people, if you're with us, I'm going to have to back off a little bit. If you're going for the ride with us, you still have something left in the tank after that 7 minutes, just do what you can. Just spin. Six minutes left. So now we don't have to worry about calories. We just give a good, honest pace. No quitting. Do what we can do. And just count down the time. That was nice though, huh? 7 minutes, 200 calories. That means we stayed on track from the 14-minute workout. And guys, if you're not hitting my numbers, you will. I used to run with very fast people, speed skate with very fast people who beat me. And I did it on purpose. Makes you faster. So, if you're trying to maintain my pace, but you're falling short, don't be discouraged. You're getting faster. All right, feeling good. There's always a bright side. We don't have any sprints. We're just maintaining a pace, burning that fat away, killing them calories. Great energy boost before you do this. If you don't feel like putting something in your stomach, big old scoop of peanut butter. If you're not allergic to it, gives you a little energy. And whatever the calories are, you're gonna burn up here. All right, doing good. At the end, I'll post the two different results so you guys can see my readings. 100 calories, doing good. I'll post it up so you can see what we did, what my readings are, and you can compare them. Maybe I'll start doing that. Now, if you're wondering how I do it, my iPhone has the app for this machine. Androids do it too. It gives me my workout every day, all my stats, and then it allows me to send it to wherever I want. So I simply send it to my email, and then drag it into the video for you guys to see. It's that simple. No big deal. All right. You didn't come to sport to quit. Keep it going. Two, one. That's 5 minutes. You got 2 minutes left. That's it. It's like you're at the end of a marathon. You can hear the crowd at the finish line. Maintain that pace. You don't want to be known as the guy, oh, I ran that race, but I stopped too early. I didn't cross the finish line. Here you cross the finish line. We got 1 minute left. 1 minute. I'll pick it up a little bit. You don't have nothing left in the tank. Just maintain where you are. Less than 30 seconds. Seconds left. Come on. You fail on yourself now. 2, 1. That's it. That's 181 calories there. I think it was 203 on the other one. 201. So that's pretty good in a short amount of time. If you're new to the channel, please thumbs up, hit the subscribe, hit the bell so you know I'm here every time I upload, which is just about every day. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.